fungal pandemics in humans aren't a thing outside of HBO series like The Last of Us. Why? One of humanity's oldest defenses against fungus isn't a drug, a vaccine, or the immune system. It's our body temperature. So what happens if a fungus begins to adapt to heat? So when you think about infectious diseases, most discussions are focusing on viruses, bacteria, parasites, but fungi are different. They belong to an entirely different kingdom of life. The world is full of fungi. Millions of fungal species exist. Mushrooms are fungi. Humans encounter them constantly, yet only a tiny, tiny fraction of them are able to cause disease. And many times it's only in immunocompromised individuals. Why? There is something called the mammalian thermal barrier. And the real mystery isn't why some fungi infect humans. The mystery is why so few do. So as I alluded to earlier, mammals have this built-in defense. We eat a lot of food. Our body temperature is higher, 37 degrees centigrade, 98.6. The environment, 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. Human body temperature serves to form kind of a protective zone because many fungi simply can't function well at mammalian temperatures. And some people talk about this being kind of a mammalian filter, that maybe mammals evolved this higher temperature, particularly as a survival advantage against fungal pathogens. So what about bats? I said that bats are being decimated by fungi, and bats are mammals. So think about white nose syndrome. That's the disease we're talking about. When does it occur? It occurs when bats are hibernating. What happens to bats when they hibernate? Their body temperature falls. Fungal growth becomes possible. So when temperature falls in these bats, their fungal vulnerability rises. And that may be one reason why fungal epidemics and certainly fungal pandemics are not really a thing. We have viral pandemics, bacterial pandemics, in the past, for example, the Black Death, but not human fungal pandemics outside of Last of Us. And I think that's because mammals occupy a thermal niche that excludes many fungal pathogens.